Welcome back, Mr. O here. Just here to try to show you a little bit more about these bridges. This puzzle is hopefully enjoyable for you. I'm going to show you a couple of harder puzzles and give you some more tips and tricks. And so let's see how it goes. I'll pull up a puzzle here. This is my level 2 worksheet that I created. And we're going to do maybe one of these, maybe two, but hopefully show you some good stuff to help you on your way. All right, just a couple of things. Let's start in the middle. This is the second worksheet. So if you want to follow along, you have these worksheets at home. I noticed an eight. Those are freebies, right? Because you have two in every direction. There's only four directions, and if you have to build 8 bridges, that's two in every direction. So that's a good place to start. That's a freebie right there. This one looks like I have only one option. It has to go to here. And so when you're looking at these, again, to draw the lines, I know a 5 has to go in 3 directions. I don't know for sure that it's, this one's the one, this one's the one, this one's the one. We don't know. But we do know that there's 3 directions for that 5 because there's nothing this way. All right. I'm noticing this 1. I can't cross bridges, so I'm going to send this 1 over to this 4. Okay, can't go left, can't go up. 2, where the heck is this 2 going to go? It's got to go to 7. It's got to go twice. See how you're adding up now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 1 only has one option. And so this 7 is just about done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we need 2 more. But there's only 1 there. So there we go. There we have it. All right, what else do we have? This 2 has 1 more to give. It'll have to go down there. We notice that this 4 is actually on a corner, right? So we have 2 this way, 2 this way, because the 4 can't go down, can't go left, so we'll send 2 this way and be done with that 2. This 2 is done. This 2 needs 1 more. Now, if I were to send this is an error. If I were to send this way, it satisfies the 1, satisfies the 2, satisfies the 2, satisfies the 1, but if you'll notice, this is an isolated island chain, which is not allowed. Okay, so we know this 2 cannot go to this 1. This 2 would have to go this way. This 1 would have to go this way. Now with 5s, if you only have 3 directions on a 5, you're going to have a 1, a 2, and a 2. So we got the 1. As soon as we get the 1, we know this is 2. We know this is 2. Okay, 2, 4, 5. This 3 has to go in 2 directions. And we know there's going to be 1 this way because the 4 already has 1, 2, 3, 4. Already had 3. There's a 4th one. 2 this way. 1 this way. That means I need 1 more bridge here. 1, 2, 3 on this 3. 1, 2, 3 on this 3. And this 5 is now done. 4 looks like I need 1 more bridge. Where is that going to go? Uh-oh, look out. Straight down. And this one over here. And voila. There we have it. Let's see if we can find a more difficult one on the back. All right, let's try, so this is the top of the page, and we're going to go down to the middle, and we'll do the middle left. See if we can get one more puzzle in before the time's up on this video. This is a 6, and it has to go in 3 directions because we don't have a 4th direction this way, so it has to be a 2, and a 2. All right, this 4 is on a corner because it can't send any bridges to the right. It can't send any bridges down. There's nowhere to go. So we know it has to be 2 there and 2 there. This 2 can only go to the left. That 2 is done. And the 3 can only go up. So there's that. This 4 has sent 2 bridges to this 3, and it needs 1 more. 1s can never connect because if I connect a 1 to a 1, then that is its own island chain, and that is not allowed. So this 1 has to go up, and this 1 has to go up. 2 still needs 1 more bridge. We send it over there. 1, 2 on the 2. This 4 has 1, 2 so far. And the others, looks like I could potentially send it up. I could go this way. I guess we'll have to wait and see. This 2 up here in the corner can only go to the left. If I notice, this 2 cannot go anywhere except this 4. Just go straight across, there's nothing. This 5 only has 3 directions, because I can't send anything to the right. So I'm going to have to go at least 1 this way, at least 1 this way, at least 1 this way. The reason I do that is because it helps. See this 3? If I know there's at least 1 here, then this 3 is completely done. 1, 2, 3. And so this 5 we know has to be 2 here and 2 here because 2, 4, 5. This 4 is done, 2 is done. Where is this 2 going to go? Oh my goodness, can't go up. Oh, look out. We'll go this way. This 4 is now done. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 needs 2 more. I'm going to have to send them both to the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 3 only has one choice up to the 1. This 3 and this 3 both need one more bridge. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Should we try one more online? I suppose we can. I suppose we can do that. I think we have a minute or two we can do that. Let's start a puzzle. We'll find a harder one though. Let's try a 15 by 15. Try a 15 by 15 heart, just for the sake of challenge here. Again, the website is called puzzle and then a hyphen bridges.com. All right, here we go. This is a challenge one. It's going to be challenging. I know automatically I see the 3 here. Mouse is not clicking right this second. Guess we'll have to just be patient. So we know at least one that way, at least one down. That has to be true for the 3 because there's nothing to the left, nothing up. So we'll have to wait and see where that's going to continue on. Notice this 3 cannot go at all to the right, so it's going to have at least one this way and at least one this way. Well, how does that help us? Well, we know this 2 is done. And that means this 3 cannot possibly send another bridge, and so our 2 has to go that way. All right, no big deal. We can do that. All right, the 7 has to go in every direction. At least one in every direction, so I'll do that right away. This 3 here in the corner has to go in every direction, so 1 there and 1 there. And we don't know which one's 2, but one of them will be 2. Where the heck is the 1 going to go? Definitely to the 2. And then if this is done, this 2 can only go down. Whereas this one's going to go only to the 3. So this one's done, and the 3 is going to have to connect to the other 3. This 3 is now finished, and this 3 needs one more bridge, so we'll send it up to the 4. All right, what else we have? Well, this 2 is going to have to go up twice to the 4, sorry about that. This 6 has all kinds of different directions to go in. This 5 has to go in 3 directions, so we have to send at least one there, at least one there, which means this 1 cannot connect to the 2. The 1's going to have to connect down to the 4. The 4 only has 1 left, so it has to go to the 6. So at this point, the 6 has 1 here, and 1 here, 1 here. The 2 is finished, so this 3 needs one more bridge. Can't go to the right, can't go down. I'm going to have to send it up to the 6. So this 3 is done, this 4 is done, this 1 is done. We have a lot of, we're making some headway here, ladies and gentlemen. All right, 6 needs how many more? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 2 more bridges for the 6. And let's see where those are going to come from. Let's also look at these 1. Look at this 1. Nowhere to go. Can only go to the 4. This 3 is going to have to connect. Guess we'll wait on the 3 to come back to it. I do a lot of bouncing around here. All right, 5, does anything go up? No, nothing goes up for 5. So this 5 has to go in 3 directions. 1, 2, 3 different directions. This 4 needs one more bridge. Now, I could go to the 7, or I could go to the 2. So we'll have to wait and see. I don't like to make guesses. I like to do it if I know for sure. All right. This 3 is going to go down or over or maybe both. This 2. Okay, if this 6 were to send 2 up, then this 2 would have nowhere to go. Okay, because the 2 can go down to 1. It can go 2 over this way. But if I send 2 up this way, we're out of luck. So this cannot possibly be 2. Which means that we need to go in 4 different directions for the 6. We need to go at least 1 here. Well, it could be only 3 directions. But we know for sure these 3 directions. 1, 2, 3 directions are confirmed. But if we were to send 2 up, that's the only way it would be 2, 2, and 2 would be not the other directions, is what I'm saying. I guess, hopefully it makes some sense. 2 cannot possibly go up. We can send 1 up, but not 2. All right. This 2 has nowhere else to connect to. So obviously 1, 2 there. This is where it's helpful. When you have a line here, you know this 2 can't go up. So we're going to send 2 this way. So this 4 only needs one more. Where are you going to send it? 2 this way, 1 this way. We're going to send 1 to the 5. So this 5 is getting close. 2, 3, 4. We need one more for the 5. So it's going to be down or it's going to be over. Well, we're not exactly sure right now. All right. Now, if this 2 were to go straight this way, these 2's would both be done and also not allowed. So this is going to have to send 1 this way, 1 this way. Now, does the 2 connect to the 4? We will have to see. It could connect to the 6. 2 and 2. If it does connect to the 6, 2, 2, 3 can go either up or down. Yeah, interesting. All right. So, but what we have so far, we know is correct. All right. Because the 2 looks like the 2 can go up to the 3, or down to the 4, or another one to the 5. There's 3 different options for that 2. Let's go somewhere where we know something has to be true. All right. We know that this has to connect at least once to the 3. We do know that. Because if we were to send 2 this way and 2 down, first of all, you can't send 2 this way. But also, they would be their own island pair. So this 4 has to go at least once to the 3. Let's see if I can. I think I'm kind of in the way a little bit here. I'll see if I get out of the way. Okay, is that better? I'm a little bit out of the way. See bottom. All right, 4 needs one more. Let's see where else we're gonna go. 7 can't go down. Can go this way. 3 can go down. 2, there you go. 2 can't connect to the 1, so it's gonna have to send 2 up to the 4. 1, 2. 4 only has one more to go. Could it send to the 3? Sure. Could it go to the 2? Absolutely. But we have to consider all of these different options. So 2 comes down. What do we got? We need 2 more on the 6. 1 from each side. That could work. 1 here, 1 here. That would mean 2 up here, 1 down, 2 here, 2 here. Where would this go? Oh, 1 connecting there, 1 connecting there. I guess that could do it, couldn't it? All right, 5 needs 1 more. So let's see, 6. The most you could send from this is 1 more. So we cannot send here, cannot send here. We could send 1 more here. There you go, right there. 6. You can't send to the left. You can't send down. You could send 1 this way and 1 this way at the most. You can't send 2. You can't send 2 up because this 3 already has 2, and you can't send 2 this way because you've already sent 1. So that means if you need 4 more bridges, or sorry, 2 more bridges, you got 4 total. Then this 6 is going to have to go 1 up, 1 over. This 3 is now done. This 6 is now finished. That means this 5 is a 2, a 1, and a 2. So 2 is done, 5 is done. 3 can only, since this 3 has to be 2 directional, it's going to have to send at least 1 down. Right? So can this 3 go twice? Yes, it could. But this 6, again, 1 here, 2 here, 1 here. We need 2 more bridges. You can't send them both up. And you certainly can send them both to the right. So this is now finished. Here, this 2 is finished. This 2 is done. This 1 is done. 6 is now finished. 2 is finished. Where are you going to go with this 4? You can't go to the left. You're going to have to send another one to the right. So 4 is done. 3 is done. I got a couple. Whoa, we got way too many in this 4. How long has that been there? Hopefully the person didn't stop watching. So we can only send 1. That's 4. You got 2 here, 1 here. We can only send 1 this way. So the 5 is going to have to be 2 down, 2 over. 7 is now done. 7 is now 2, 2, 1, 1. Oh, let's send another one this way. So 4 is done, 7 is done. I think we're good to go. We hit the done button. See how we did. Not showing up on the screen, but you get my point. Anyway, we did it. 9:09. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have a wonderful day. Be safe out there. Let me know if you have questions.